Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into the SOXL ETF. We previously published a report on our website on Friday, December 15, 2023, but now we are excited to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you can stay updated on our latest analyses. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a strong buy candidate with a score of 5.81. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 66.32% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 30 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 2.21% since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 36.78% change over the next 3 months. This means that the return could range between -15.73% and 36.78%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 48.57% change over the next year. The potential return in this scenario could be between -22.54% and 58.57%. To put it into perspective, the price could range from $23.68 to $48.47 after a year. Our latest update for the SOXL ETF includes the headline, SOXL ETF price up 1.26% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, December 15, 2023, the SOXL ETF price increased by 1.26%. It went up from $30.19 to $30.57. This marks the 7th consecutive day of gains for the ETF. While it's not common for ETFs to rise for so many days in a row, it's important to note that some fluctuations or temporary declines might occur. During the last trading day, the ETF's price ranged from a low of $30.35 to a high of $31.59, showing a fluctuation of 4.09%. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them and has experienced an overall increase of 32.51% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 19 million shares, with a total of 66 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $2.03 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume while prices are rising could indicate a divergence and potentially signal changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $31.59, while the lowest price was $8.74. Currently, the price is 3.23%, equivalent to $1.02, below the 52-week high and 91.92%, equivalent to $347.67, below the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, an ETF. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals for SOXL. Both the short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals supports a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If there's a downward correction, there will likely be support at $26.90 and $21.80. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 110.39% so far. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's important to note that despite the gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's recommended to closely monitor the ETF's performance. Here are some other signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it generated a buy signal. Pivots, it generated a buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger, it generated a buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it generated a buy signal 27 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, here's what we observe. Short moving average, it generated a sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it generated a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL, or the Direxon Daily Semiconductor Bull 3X shares, has an interesting support level at $30.19. This means that when the price approaches this level, it may offer a potential buying opportunity. Investors often react positively to this support, causing the price to bounce back up. However, it's important to note that SOXL is considered a high-risk ETF. It tends to experience significant volatility throughout the day, which can lead to both opportunities and challenges for traders. In fact, the Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, suggests that there is a wide range of possible price movements for this ETF. To give you an idea of its recent volatility, in the past day, SOXL had a price range of $1.24, which is equivalent to a 4.09% difference between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, its average daily volatility has been around 6.21%. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for SOXL. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we notice that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward quickly, given the right conditions. It could be a smart move to enter a position and monitor the volume to determine the right time to exit. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $30.19. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound in the stock price. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $29.68, which represents a decrease of 2.9%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily fluctuations, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 80, further increasing the risk involved. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 33 days ago, adding to the potential attractiveness of this investment opportunity. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? The SOXL ETF has shown several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering these factors, we believe it is a good choice to consider at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the previous trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, December 18th, we expect SOXL to open with a gain of $0.267 and begin trading at $30.84. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We're excited to share our current view on this stock with you. We value your opinion, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We'd also love to hear your target for the ETF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and hopes you have a wonderful day.